Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. In computers chapter 2, that is working with Windows 7 was going on. Today we will do the question answers of this chapter. So let's get started. The first question is, what do you know about Windows Explorer? Answer is, Windows Explorer is the main tool that we use to interact with Windows 7. We need to use the Windows Explorer to view, explore or organize libraries, files and folders. Windows Explorer enables us to display directory structure that include drives, folders and files. So children, already I have told you that Windows Explorer allows us to view all the libraries, files, folders and drives of the computer. Now the second question is, name the different view formats. Briefly explain any two views. Answer is, Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify our file while we are viewing them. The different view formats are as follows. First is extra large icons, second is large icons, third is medium icons, fourth is small icons, fifth is list, sixth is details, seventh is styles and eighth is content. So I have already shown you that these are the different kind of views using which we can view the files of the computer. Now we have to explain any two. So first explanation is large icons. This options displays the files and folders as large size icons. And second is styles. This view displays files and folders as medium size icons along with the basic information such as type and size. Now question number 3 is, how will you set date and time for your computer? Answer is changing date and time. This is heading. Then click on the date and time option in control panel. The date and time dialog box will appear. By default the date and time tab is selected. Now to change date, this is heading. Click on the change date and time tab. The date and time setting dialog box will appear. Now to change time, to change the hour, select the hour in the text box. Click on the spin arrows to increase or decrease the hour accordingly and click OK. Similarly, we can change the minutes and seconds. I have shown you already in the computer that how to change the date and time. These are the steps to change the date and time as given in your book. This you will write in the same way in the copy. Now question number 3 is, what is sleep mode? Answer is, sleep is a power saving state wherein a computer does not turn off completely. In this process, monitor and hard disk are turned off, but the computer puts our work and settings in RAM and draws a small amount of power. It allows the computer to quickly resume full power operation when we start working again. So, what is sleep mode? स्लीप इज़ अ पावर सेविंग स्टेट. इसमें क्या होता है, हमारी पावर सेव होती है. जब हम लोग कंप्यूटर में बहुत देर तक काम नहीं कर रहे होते हैं तो कंप्यूटर ऑटोमेटिकली स्लीप मोड में चला जाता है. उसमें क्या होता है, कंप्यूटर हार्ड डिस्क और मॉनिटर को ऑफ कर देता है बट हमारा सारा वर्क रैम में सेव कर लेता है, बहुत थोड़ी सी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ पावर लेकर के. तो व्हेन वी स्टार्ट वर्किंग अगेन द कंप्यूटर रिज्यूम्स एंड गेट्स इट्स फुल पावर ऑपरेशन. नाउ the next question is, what is the importance of control panel in Windows? Answer is, control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current setting of Windows. These may include appearance and personalization of desktop, hardware and software setup and configuration, system and security, networking and internet, user accounts and family safety, setting clock, language and region. These settings control nearly everything regarding Windows appearance, internet settings and personalization. They allow us to set up Windows the way we want. So I have already explained that control panel is the system folder using which we can change the appearance and setting of Windows, and these are the kind of settings which can change. Okay, so children, these are the question answers. You have to learn and write these in your copy. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.